Hello everyone! Welcome to the WARC Kyrgyz tutorials. My name is Aiym and today's topic is introducing yourself. In this video, we will learn some basic phrases that you can use in a conversation with other people. Before we start, let's have a look at the concept of personal endings. These are endings that we can attach to nouns or another word to show possession and connection to other words. Now let's look at possessive adjectives and the personal endings that go with them. Menin has ending m, senin has ending ng, sizdin has ending ngız, anın has no ending, bizdin has ending biz, silerdin has ending ngar, sizderdin has ending ngızdar, alardın has no ending. Now let's apply what we learned and see how to say my name, your name, etc. Menin atım, senin atın, sizdin atınız, anın atı, bizdin atыбыз, silerdin atыңар, sizderdin atыңыздар, alardın atı. Let's look at some phrases. To introduce yourself, for example, salam, menin atım Aiym. Hello, my name is Aiym. Senin atın kim? What is your name? Tanışkanıma kuvанычтамын. Nice to meet you. Көргөнүмө кубанычтамын. It's a pleasure to see you. Өзүмдү тааныштыра кетейин. Menin atım. Let me introduce myself. My name is. Next time we will learn how to say where you are from. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like and subscribe. Жақсы барыңыз.